To factory reset POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, you have a couple of methods that allow you to do so. The main method is to go to Settings, open About Phone, then scroll down and search for Factory Reset. Over here you will find the summary of everything that is going to be removed, which is pretty much everything. So you can now tap on Erase All Data, enter your screen lock password, and then you can continue. You can also, of course, back up your data, which is the recommended option, something that you should do in order to not lose anything that is important that you don't want to lose in the process. But if you are ready, you can just tap on Factory Reset button and just continue. Now, besides that, we can also perform factory reset with the help of the Find Hub or Find My Device provided by Google. So, if we have this option enabled, which we can check by going to Fingerprints, Face Data, and Screen Lock, then over here we can go to Privacy, and then here we have the Find Hub. So of course here we can turn it on. Also location must be enabled, of course, in order to make sure that that it properly works. And then we can use the Find Hub app or website in order to find our phone, and there will be an option that allows you to erase all data. So for example, you can go to google.com/android/find. Of course, make sure that you choose the correct Google account here in the upper right corner. And then over here, you should be able to find your POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max. So you can select it, and then here we have Factory Reset Device option. Last but not least, you can also perform factory reset by using the recovery mode. In order to go to the recovery mode, we need to use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu, and then over here you want to reboot the phone. But once you start rebooting, you want to press and hold the volume up button. And then we're gonna keep holding volume up button all the time until you go to the recovery mode. So even if you see the POCO logo on the screen, you still want to keep holding volume up just to go to the recovery mode. There we go. In this menu, we navigate by using volume buttons, and then we need to use the power button in order to confirm our selected option. So of course you want to choose wipe data over here and then go to wipe all data. In case you go back to the main menu of a recovery mode, you want to reboot your phone afterwards. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.